Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on our YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to show you how to set the valve clearance on a 1986 Honda Accord or any Honda of its era with an A series engine. So let's get straight to work. What you need to do is remove the valve cover, and you need to have a set of feeler gauges and to put a bolt on the crank pulley in order to be able to spin the engine. Now we're going to start by doing the exhaust valves. Here are the specs of the clearance. As you can see, we're going to start by doing the exhaust. Now we take the 25 and the 30 feeler gauges and start. We got the valve all the way closed, so now I'm going to start slipping this in. It's way too open, so we need to tighten her up. First, you need to crack the lock nut and make sure that the camshaft is on the base circle. Set the feeler gauge in between. Screw in the screw while holding the nut. Then you lock the nut. And just like that, we finished one exhaust valve. Now we're gonna do the rest on time lapse and then come back while doing the intake valves. Now we're gonna do the intake valves, making sure that any of the cylinders come to the base circle of the camshaft first before trying to adjust them. So the specs on the intake valve is between 0.12 and 0.17 millimeter. Here I got a 0.15. It slides in easily. 0.20, and it slides in easy. So we need to tighten this up. On the other intake valve, 0.15 also slides in easily. 0.20 is a little bit hard, so I would call it okay. Now we take the 0.15 feeler gauge, slide her into position. Then we break loose the nut and tighten the adjuster screw. It's a little bit too tight. That's fine. You need to be able to slide in and out the one that you want to spec it with easily. You need to feel a little bit of resistance to it, but not much or not too loose. As you can see here, after we adjusted the valve, we can slide in the feeler gauge easily, but with a little bit of resistance. And just like that, guys, we showed you how to set the valve clearance on a 1986 Honda Accord or any Honda with this specific engine, with the A series engine. Hopefully you found this video informational and enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe and go watch the rest of the videos where we replaced all the valve seals and refurbished the cylinder head, and when we removed it and installed a new head gasket. See you on a later video. Peace.